Welcome, developers. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get started with the Homesage.ai APIs. Our APIs enables you to integrate powerful real estate data and analytics directly into your own applications, providing access to the same property valuation data that powers our own platform. To get started, log into your account and navigate to the Integration section in the left-hand menu. This is your Developer Hub. Your first step will be to get your API key from the Keys section, which you'll need to authenticate all your requests. Once you have your key, click on Documentation. This is your main resource for everything you can do with our API. On the left side, you'll see a full menu of all our available endpoints. You can pull specific data points like investment potential or our unique price flexibility score, or access full data sets like comps and complete full reports. Let's click on an endpoint to see how it works. Each documentation page is laid out in the same clear and simple way. At the top, you'll find an overview of what the endpoint does. Scroll down and you'll see examples. We provide ready-to-use code snippets in over 10 popular languages, from Python to JavaScript. You can copy and paste these directly into your project to get started instantly. The Parameters section shows you exactly what data you need to send in your request, such as a property address. Finally, the Responses section explains what you'll get back. It details the data structure for a successful call and also explains what different error codes mean if something goes wrong. With extensive documentation and a wide range of powerful endpoints, the Homesage.ai APIs provides the tools you need to build the next generation of real estate technology. Start building today.